Hi, this is Home Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the world of digital art with a focus on the best drawing tablet brands. From industry giants to emerging innovators, we'll explore top-notch options for unleashing your creativity. Number 1. Wacom Drawing Tablet. This sleek masterpiece effortlessly bridges the gap between imagination and creation. The pressure-sensitive stylus dances on the surface, mimicking the feel of traditional drawing tools. Its precision is mind-blowing, capturing every nuance of your artistic strokes. The seamless connection between hand and screen provides an immersive experience, turning your canvas into a playground. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a budding creator, the Wacom tablet transforms your digital space into an art haven. Elevate your artistry, one stroke at a time. Number 2. XP Pen Tablet, a game changer for artists. This sleek masterpiece transforms your digital canvas into a realm of endless possibilities. The pen sensitivity is so precise, it's like your ideas are flowing directly from your mind to the screen. The customizable shortcut keys add a touch of personalization, ensuring your workflow is as unique as your art. Plus, the responsive surface feels like a seamless extension of your imagination. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a budding creator, the XP Pen tablet is your gateway to a world where every stroke tells a story. Elevate your artistry, embrace the XP Pen experience. Number 3. UGE Tablet, the digital canvas that elevates your drawing experience to new heights. Immerse yourself in its responsive and precise stylus, effortlessly translating every stroke onto the screen with unparalleled accuracy. The sleek design complements the seamless workflow, while customizable shortcuts empower your creativity. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting, UGE's tablet is a masterpiece in itself, delivering an immersive and fluid drawing journey. Elevate your artistry, embrace precision, and let your creativity flow effortlessly with UGE, a must-have for any digital artist. Number 4. Huion Drawing Tablet. This sleek gadget is a game changer for artists, boasting a responsive surface that effortlessly translates your creativity into digital masterpieces. With customizable hotkeys and a user-friendly design, it's a breeze to navigate your artistic journey. The pressure-sensitive stylus delivers precision like never before, making every stroke a work of art. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, the Huion tablet elevates your drawing experience, turning your imagination into reality with a touch of technological magic. Dive into a world where your art comes alive at your fingertips. Number 5. Veek Tablet, every stroke feels like a masterpiece in the making. Its sleek design and responsive surface make it a dream for digital artists. The pressure sensitivity is a game changer, capturing the nuances of your creativity with precision. The customizable shortcut keys? A total game changer. Forget limitations, embrace fluidity in your artistic journey. The Veek tablet isn't just a tool, it's your collaborator in crafting visual symphonies. Elevate your artistry, because every stroke matters, and so does the canvas beneath your fingertips. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing the best drawing tablet brand, it's essential to consider factors like sensitivity, compatibility, and durability. Brands like Wacom, Huion, and XP Pen offer top-notch options catering to various needs and budgets. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your specific requirements and preferences. Thanks for watching.